started with Topstep not to be funded. Actually, that totally wasn't my goal. My goal was I want to trade seriously, test my strategy, make sure that I'm really professional with the real money.
2685s, 5259.
All right.
Let's see if you're admiring John's.
Take money. Done.
Beautiful.
Take money.
Beautiful. Shout out to Hogue for the quick $1,000. Dakota says, hell yes. That was amazing.
Teamwork.
Yes,
Love it.
absolutely.
I love it when a plan falls in place.
I did take a payout, and I'm finally convinced that this is real. So it was my first payout in this whole time, and so I'm really excited. When it hit my bank account, I was like, "Oh man, this is actually real."
Well, yeah, look at these guys. Here we are. Last power hour of the week, last power hour of the day. They got their shades on. The man in the left, floor left, goes by the name of Coach Ray, looking stylish as hell today. Lower right, got Jack with the shades on. Fresh haircut as well, looking good, Jack. And the upper right, putting in a marathon session today. John Hoagland with this cool tie-dye shirt. What's going on?
Being on tilt, it sounds like you're living in the past. You can't let this go, right? That's the ego being offended. Remember, eternity is the present. Every moment is eternity, right? When you're present in each moment, the past, what's done is done. You cannot undo it.